Southwick-Tolland-Granville School District has reported confirmed cases of whooping cough. Now, whooping cough, known medically as pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory infection. It causes a severe cough lasting for weeks or months and can be dangerous for those with weak immune systems. The school district says to keep your child home if they do have a cough and visit a doctor if symptoms persist. If your child has a cough and lives with someone who's pregnant, a baby less than 1 year old, or anyone with a weakened immune system, visit a doctor immediately.